Hey guys, happy new year and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I mince garlic and preserve them in oil. Um, Now, the way I unpeel garlic is I just use a knife and a cutting board. Um, I have this garlic peeler, but I think this takes too much time. Um, and I like to do things quickly, especially prep work like this. So basically the way to use this is you just put a few of them in there like that, and then you roll them like this. And see, this, it works better with bigger cloves, but as you can see it doesn't work that well. So that's why I don't use this. And then I don't know if you guys saw like a YouTube, but they have like the hacks where you put it in a jar and then you shake it and supposedly it comes unpeeled. But see, you have to shake it a lot, and basically the only a couple of them will come unpeeled. Yeah, let me cut this off because this is pretty bad. Yeah. So then the smaller ones, you have to shake a long time for it to come off. And sometimes they don't even come off. So that's why I don't use the jar method. I just prefer to use the cutting board because I find that to be the fastest and most convenient way. So basically the way I do it is just I use the back of the knife and I pound on it. So just like that, the peel comes off. And basically I just put it in my food processor to mince it up. So I already did a few here, so I'm just going to show you guys how I do the rest, and it doesn't take much time at all. So and normally when you pounce it, there's like a little tail here, and if you just kind of go like that, the whole thing comes off. So, and sometimes it doesn't have a tail, but it can still easily come off. See how easy that is? You just take the tail and just comes off. The tail, and you just pull it off. Here's the tail, and you just pull it off. So I have a few more here. So I have 5. And nope, this one is spoiled. Okay, so just okay, so again from the tail, and if it doesn't, if it's still stuck, just hit it one more time and it should come off. Okay, so now that my garlic is peeled, when it's in a food processor, and basically I'm just gonna mince it up. Now you can have it like bigger pieces. I like it mixed, like big and small, so I'm just gonna mince it a little bit more. That's it. So this is my minced garlic, and basically I'm gonna put it, let me get a spoon. So I'm just gonna put it in the jar here. As you can see. Now I used basically 2 bulbs. So yeah, you just want to fill it up and then add oil. And you just want to make sure it fills to the top. And then basically give it a little stir here. Get the top mixed in the oil so that it doesn't spoil. Want to make sure it's covered. And yeah, that's it. So now you have your minced garlic in a jar, and it lasts in the fridge for months. Yeah, so this is how, and it's quick, so you guys don't have to like chop up garlic every time you cook. You just basically, you know, take this out of the fridge, and normally I take like a scoop and then put it in the pan and saute, basically. Yeah. So this is my little quick way of mincing garlic and saving some money. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment, and thanks for watching my channel. Bye.